welcome back to Tutorpedia.72. Today we are meeting the second and perhaps most important word family, the family of E. E, the word family. First, let's talk about the short E sound and feel. We can call this the S sound. Listen closely. E, E, E. Think about your mouth. Time to build up some words. We will focus on the four biggest short E word family. Remember, these are all called CVC, consonant, vowel, consonant words. Let us go through some of the E family examples. E, d, ed. E, d, ed. E, g, egg. E, g, egg. E, m. E, m. E, n. E, n. Et, et.
Come on, children, let us learn the short E family sound. E, the family. B, the bed. The red. F, the fed. T, the Ted. Egg family. Egg leg. Egg peg. Egg bag. N family. N pen. N hen. N ten. N men. The family. The pet. The net. The vet. The vet. Family. Jam. Ham.
Excellent work today, kids. You have unlocked the core of short E sound. In the next video, we'll learn about the I family, which is E family. Hope you liked the video and share, subscribe to the channel Tutorpedia.72. Bye-bye. See you in the next video.